In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your character on Talkie AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to confirm the removal so the character is no longer in your list. Let's start from a clean slate. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI. You'll see the official site appear in the results. Click through to the Talkie AI website. If you're already on the site, you can simply follow along from here. Keep in mind that you'll need to be signed in to access your creations. Otherwise, you won't see your characters. Once you're on the site, look for the option that says Create a Talkie. This takes you into the creation area and, importantly for today, to the place where your existing characters live. Think of it as your dashboard for managing what you've built. On this page, you'll see the characters you created. Take a moment to identify the one you want to remove. It's a good idea to double-check the name and thumbnail so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. If you have a lot of characters, scroll through the list until you find it. When you found the right character, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options or Kebab menu, on that character's card. Click those three dots to open the management options for that specific character. This is where Talkie AI gives you actions like editing, duplicating, or managing the link between your profile and the character. Choose the option labeled Unbind. In Talkie AI, Unbind is the action that removes the character from your list, effectively detaching it from your account. It's the equivalent of deleting it from your personal collection. Before you proceed, consider whether you'll need this character later, because once it's unbound, it won't appear in your creations anymore. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm. This step is there to prevent accidental removal. Read the message so you understand what's about to happen, then click Confirm to complete the process. After confirming, the character will be removed from your list, and you should no longer see it among your creations. That's all there is to it. You went to the Talkie AI site, navigated to the creation area, found your character, opened the three-dot menu, selected Unbind, and confirmed the action. If you ever need a new character later, you can create one from the same area. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your Talkie AI workspace with confidence.